Jano, yeah. It's a time to unify our forces as one Africa. Oh, new generation of Africa, Africa, rise up and fighting again, yeah. It's a time, yeah, for new generation of Africa, Africa, rise up and fighting again, yeah. It's a time, yeah. It's a time to unify our forces as one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, many times Africa suffering, yeah. Every day someone dying. Every day one mama crying. Every time trouble and war. Everywhere blood run away. It's a time to unify. As one we are better man. We have to be, oh Africa. It's a time to fight together. Never give up your right. Remember Hadafi, Thomas Sankara. They killed them without reason. Oh, new generation of Africa, Africa, rise up and fighting again, yeah. It's a time, yeah. Oh, new generation of Africa, Africa, rise up and fighting again, yeah. It's a time, yeah. They just want us to die. That's why they try to bring trouble every time. All I know is they come and pretend to helping us. All I know, all I know, all I know, yeah. They are here just to style our research, yeah, and kill it our leader, like they did with Thomas Sankara. Oh, Gaddafi, yeah. They kill all our leaders, ready to fight for our freedom. Oh, we know Babylon never gonna give up to keep it our freedom. It's a time to rise flag on new generation of Africa, Africa, rise up and fighting again, yeah. It's a time, yeah, for new generation of Africa, Africa, rise up and fighting again, yeah. It's a time, yeah. Sans phosphate, de fer et de vivre. Pourquoi pas les exploiter si on reprend la main dans la mer? Luttons à jamais pour que l'Afrique de demain soit meilleure pour nos enfants. Nous savons tous qu'on a assez souffert. Hey, Rastafari. Yeah man, yeah man.